In this session, we're going to learn how to export or download two PNG file or two views. One is going to be from this view, and the other one is going to be from the back view, where you can showcase almost like an isometric view, where you're able to kind of show at an angle on two sides of the building. So you can have one this way and one on the front side. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that now. First, get the view you want. So make sure the whole building from the back side, viewing the two angle like an isometric view. You can click on this three little line, press download, and say PNG. Once you get that view you want, you go ahead and press export as ping, say export. Sometimes we'll ask you, do you want to allow to download? Say yes. On the other side, we do the exact same thing. So get to the front view, to the front side of the building, zoom in so you can capture the entire building. What you want to do is make sure the building is in the center of the page and I can see everything so I can give you a grade on your progress. Okay, once you have that, click on three little line again, download PNG. Press export and say export. Once you have that, you're going to click on your assignment, and the assignment is going to look like this. You're simply going to replace these images with yours. So here's the front and here's the back side. I'm going to click on the front side first and go to replace image, go to upload from computer, and go to download. That's where all your files going to be. Go to download. For me, I have a lot of files, so it's harder for me to find, but I'm going to go ahead and just drag this over to show you what that looked like. I'm going to click open, and it will replace the image just like that. Once you have that, you do the same thing with this one. Replace image, go to upload for computer, go to download. You should be able to find yours really easily because you don't have this many files. You're going to find the back side of the building now and press replace, and there it is. They get replaced. Once you have that ready to go, press turn in.